Hello Odooers and welcome to this point of sale tutorial. Let's face it, a point of sale system without receipt printing is a little bit like a car without wheels, right? But what if I told you that this very printer right here can pull double duty, routing order tickets straight to the kitchen or to your bar? So today we're going to show you how to connect a printer and set it up to print receipts and orders. If you're ready, we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. However, before we even log into Odoo, we will have to get our hands on the physical printer. And I will just go ahead and power it up right here. And as you can see, we automatically receive a ticket with a print status and the printer's IP address as soon as the printer connects to our network. So we must keep our IP address as it will be necessary to connect that printer to our Odoo database. Now, let's go ahead and head over to Odoo and configure our features. So we'll go into Point of Sale, Configuration, and Settings. And to make this easy for me, I will just type print right here. And I have my options ready to be configured. So first up, let's activate our point of sale printer under connected devices here. And once that's done, we will need to fill in the field with the IP address that I just copied from this ticket off screen. So I'll just paste it right here. And do you see how this little cache drawer setting has also shown up in my configuration? This is needed in order to connect a cache drawer to Odoo. And in order to do that, we must connect it to a printer first. So that's why it was initially hidden. But now I can just go ahead and activate this setting as well. Next up, we will also enable the automatic receipt printing under our bills and receipts. And I also have an option to skip the previous screen, which would bypass the manual print confirmation after each sale. But actually, I would like to keep it like this for this sale. Then next up, we can go ahead and configure our preparation printers under preparation right here at the bottom of the screen. I will go ahead and activate this right here. And then I will need to specify the printer that I want to use for my orders. So let me just type Bon Appetit here, and I will say create an edit. Perfect. And this allows me to select some options. So I will choose to use an Epson printer, this one right here. And I will put in the IP address of my printer. So of course, you don't have to use the same printer. It's easier for the sake of this demonstration. But of course, you can have one printer printing out the customer's receipts and another one in your kitchen or bar to printing out the orders. Now, what I can also do here is select my POS product categories that I want this printer to print out. So let's add a line here, and we will select Bon Appetit drinks right here. So imagine that this printer is located at the bar where we would only want to receive orders for items that the bartenders prepare, such as beverages. So think coffees and our mocktails, for example. So I will save this and close. And now that this is done, I will go ahead and save all of those settings that we've just configured. Perfect. So now our printer is configured to print customers' receipts and the drink orders. So let's go ahead and check it out in our point of sale. We will go into dashboard. We will open a register in Bon Appetit restaurant. And imagine that we have a couple of customers sitting down here at table number 5. And they're in the mood to have some drinks. So we will order one latte and one cappuccino for them. And let's go ahead and hit order. And as soon as we've done that, our ticket pops up from the ordered with the ordered items for the bar staff, so they can just take a quick look and they know to get started on a latte and a cappuccino. And once the order is delivered to the clients and they have their drink, they will, of course, after a little bit of time, be ready to pay. So we can hit payment right here. Let's say that they're paying by cash this time. Let's validate the order. Our cash drawer immediately pops open for the payment. And we also have a receipt printed out for them that we can hand over to our customer. And that's it for configuring our printers. As you can see, it's quite easy. I hope it will be helpful to you. And as always, I look forward to seeing you in another tutorial. Happy selling!